After testing almost every single content AI tool that you can possibly think of, PoppyAI wins by far, and here's why. Most AI tools just give you robotic, generic content like scripts that sound robotic, and they don't even, quite frankly, they don't even do that well. PoppyAI is very different because it actually tailors all of its content based around you, around, your personality, how you speak, your tone of voice, everything like that. And it's really created for business owners and content creators who want to stand out with content. So let me show you exactly how to use it. So sharing my screen now, if I just go to the search bar and search up Poppy AI, and then just go to Google, the first thing that's going to pop up is this. So once you click that, you can actually see the entire website. You can see it's literally made for content creators, copywriters, and marketers, and you can just press Get Poppy AI up here, and that's how you're actually going to create an account. Now, if you click Get Poppy AI, this is how you're actually going to get the tool. If you use my link in the description, it's my affiliate link, you're going to get a discount as well. Now, let's just look at the price, $324 for an entire year. This is only like $27 every single month. It's like almost the same price as ChatGPT, quite literally, and this thing does way more than ChatGPT. If you look over here, it's built with ChatGPT and it has a whiteboard and it's like Notion. So think about ChatGPT and Notion having a baby. This is pretty much what this is, plus like a whiteboard, almost like Miro, if you know what that is. And then supercharge your researching and writing skills by 10x, quite literally because it does it for you with viral content scripts. And then talk and ask questions to YouTube videos, voice, images, or even PDFs, which is pretty mind-blowing. So once you're inside the tool, I'm going to show you how it looks. Now, once you actually log into the tool, I have this as my main one, but you're going to see a bunch of different boards that you have, or maybe if you just got the tool, you're not going to see anything here. So you're basically just going to click on new board. But before I press that, I want to show you how I've been using it. So if I click on, let's say, content agency brain, because I want to learn a lot more about content agencies. If I zoom out here, you can see I have a whole entire group with a bunch of videos inside and an AI chat next to it. Now it looks really confusing from the start, but I'm going to explain this to you. Even if you're new to AI, this is going to be pretty simple. So I'm just gonna, press here, press on new board. Let's name this Instagram script. Actually, let's put YouTube instead. So YouTube script, create board. So let's say you own an AI agency and you want to create content about that. So we're literally just going to head over to youtube.com and we're going to look for videos inside of that specific niche. So what I'm going to search up is AI agency. Now, the most viral videos here, obviously you can use the people that you actually know. Leah Motley is very popular in this specific niche. So let's go to his page and let's see what viral videos that he has. So videos, popular. So he has a video here, how to get rich with AI agents in 2025, complete beginner's guide. These usually tend to go viral because it's an hour plus long and it's every single video in one, and it's like a full course. So we're not going to use that one, but we're going to use this one, the AI skills that will separate winners from losers in 2025. So what I'm going to do is copy that link, head over back to Poppy. I'm going to click Y or the YouTube video icon right here. I'm going to copy the link, press add video. So the video is right in here. And to even make this even more organized, we're going to create a group. So you can either press G or click on the group icon, and let's just drag the YouTube video into the group. Now that we have that, I want to name this Liam Otley. So I know this is all of his videos, Liam Otley. And now I'm going to just keep doing that. I'm gonna copy, let's do, he has a bunch of step-by-step videos. That's what I see. That tends to do really good. So let's do like 4 of his videos. I like those 2, and then I'm skipping these step-by-step hour plus long ones. Let's go how to add custom GPTs. Okay, that one's gone viral. Let's copy that, and then let's just do one more. So master prompt engineering full guide, 60 minutes. I like that one. Now, you have the viral videos inside of the group. You can make multiple groups if you want to. So let's say I want to add another YouTuber. I can create another group. I can drag it to the bottom of it or to the side, wherever I want, and I could just name it something else. Like let's maybe do Shaz Matthew. He's also known in the AI space. So I can also put Shaz Matthew, and I can just put his videos in here too. But for now, I'm just going to add Leah Motley. So now let's create an AI chat. We're going to put it to the side of it, and we're going to connect it because now the AI chat knows every single thing that's inside of this Leah Motley group. And this Leah Motley group has all of his videos, which contain his scripts, the title, the amount of views, the video length, almost everything. So let's ask the AI chat now, what do you see? And it's thinking right now. Oh, keep in mind also, this AI chat literally has Claude and also ChatGPT 4.0 and ChatGPT 4.0 mini, which is, you can pick whichever one you want. I don't know any other AI tool that really does that. So based off what's connected to the AI chat, it sees AI related topics. It tells me the title and it tells me what type of videos he creates and what they seem to be about, which is completely right. Entrepreneurship, AI business opportunities, etc., which is 100% accurate. So now let's have a little bit more fun with this. I want to add my videos. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel. Let's go here. I'm gonna create, actually, instead of a YouTube video, let's create a group. Let me drag that here. I'm going to put my videos. And then let's make this group a little bigger. Now I'm going to copy and paste some of my videos. I'll do 3 of my videos. Copy link address, YouTube, add video. There we go. And now I want to connect it to the AI chat as well. Now it has previous videos that I've made and it knows about me. It knows my tone. It knows exactly how I speak. It knows my titles, my videos, what they're about. So now I want to ask it, what do you think about my videos? What do you think about my videos? Now, because I named the group my videos, it actually knows exactly what I'm talking about. Now it's thinking, it says, I see these last few videos are yours. Let me analyze them specifically. It gives me a clear breakdown of each of these videos. And quite literally, it tells me everything about them. It tells me my style appears to be direct, practical, and focused on providing real value, which is 100% true. That's what I tried to do. So now we can have actually a little bit more fun with this. So I can actually get more specific. Say these are my YouTube videos. And now I can go to my Instagram and then paste my Instagram videos straight to PoppyAI. Now it doesn't have to be Instagram or YouTube only. It can also be TikTok, and it can also be an image that you upload, or maybe even a voice recording that you have, and even like a website, which you can get really crazy with that, with it scraping the actual website and giving you a bunch of information about it. So let's say you're making a video about a website. You would click on website. Let's say I'm talking about Walmart.com. So let me zoom in a little bit. Let me put it down here. Walmart.com. Let's say I want to make a video about that. I would just type in the website, connect it to the AI chat, and then that way I know everything about Walmart.com. Well, I do. And it would give me a whole personalized script based off my tone, based off how I speak, based off my previous videos about it. It would somehow incorporate content strategies or AI strategies to Walmart.com, creating me a very good viral video. Now, that's besides the point. Let me go to my Instagram here and let's copy and paste some videos that I have. So now it even knows my short form videos. It knows a lot about me already. And I can even like create a text box right here and then copy and paste my bio if I really wanted to, but it already knows a lot about me, about my tone, about everything about me so far. Now, what I actually do in other boards is I create a whole entire document full of the most viral hooks, and I would add that as like a text box and connect it to this AI chat. But for the sake of this video, let's say you only have your previous videos and the viral videos from someone in your niche. So now we just go to the text box. We would type something like, create me a viral video on AI agents based off Liam Otley's previous viral videos and my tone/voice. So I'll press enter, and now it's going to create me a video. Maybe I could have been more specific and said, create me a viral YouTube video, but let's just see what it says. So it's creating me a video. It gives me the title, the AI agent framework that made me $31,427 in 30 days. And it gives me the exact hook, the pattern break, the quick cut. Keep in mind, it's taking all of the pattern interrupts and everything like that from Liam's videos, and it's going to add it and incorporate it to mine because obviously it's working for him in that specific niche, and it will work for me because I'm in the same niche. So it gives me the main content, the whiteboard section. It's giving me the main content, phase 1, phase 2, and then also phase 3. It's going to give me a value hook, which is going to be, here's what most people get wrong. And it's going to give me a bunch of this other stuff as well. So now let's go back to a previous board that I'm actually using, and let me show you exactly how I'm creating such amazing scripts using this AI tool. Now that you understand it a bit better, I have my videos right here. I have my previous YouTube videos. I have my typical description. I also have my ICP right here. I put here my 2 ICPs, my 2 ideal client profiles, as well as video ideas attached to them. Here I have high performing videos that have actually done really good. Here is something I'm going to incorporate later. I haven't connected that yet. Here I have the most viral video idea titles that you can actually use as well. And I've connected that all to the AI chat. So now literally I just ask it anything and it'll create me a viral script. So I'll actually use it right now and I'll create a video about it. So I'll put create me a viral YouTube video about content strategies. And it gave me this exact script that you can see here, which is extremely good. So I'm just gonna copy this right here. Boom. So it gave me the title, the exact format, the length. It got super specific, my description, as well as the actual timestamps and the script itself. Now, I even use this tool when it comes to outreach, personalized outreach to people in the DMs, because I have a content agency and I create personalized scripts for people. And I even use this tool. Of course, I have to go in and change it up a little bit to make it even more personalized, but it does a really good job with it. That's how I've been using it. And keep in mind with ChatGPT, it's not as personalized. This tool is a steal, especially if you're using my discount code, which is in the description. It's going to give you a huge discount, which makes it pretty much the same price as ChatGPT, maybe a little more, but either way, it's worth it if it's more personalized and it's more descriptive within, your tone of voice, everything like that. It's super personalized. And you can take information from other things. Like I showed you earlier, the content agency Brain, which is what I named it. I wanted to learn about content agency. So what I did, I took all the videos on it, I connected it to an AI chat, and I just ask it questions now about a content agency. And it gives me absolutely everything, as you can see. It tells me what keywords to search up when I'm doing outreach, and everything super, super specific. So if you haven't got this tool yet, click the first thing in the description to get my discount code, which makes it pretty much almost the same price as ChatGPT. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.